Well, I don't know if you can hear me good, but it is pouring. Pouring rain. So you can see got the roof up. Not only did it make a great platform for fishing, but, oh honey, but also it's a great extra space right here at the dock. It's real nice. The kids have been playing on it the whole time, but it's hard to stay out there in this storm. But it's a good check for the roof to see how stable it is. We don't only have all the bolts in, just some of them, 4 on each side. So, and it looks pretty good. So we'll see what happens. But that wind is sure blowing it. Hopefully it'll just pass right over. The current's going out, but the wind's blowing in, and the wind is winning that battle. What happened? What are you guys doing? Did it get cold? I don't know, that's just beautiful to me. Love it. Love that storm. You can see the clouds are breaking up. This is going to last for a few minutes, but it's beautiful. Now you can see it catching the wind really strong. That tarp is becoming a sail. This is about the strongest storm I've seen, so we'll see how it holds up. If I throw the camera down real quick, that means I'm running to go get the canopy. Look at Isa behind the shield. What are you doing, hon? Actually feels great. Temperature is just right. But Filipinos, they get cold as soon as it rains like this. Looks like the boat's going to be fine. There, it's already slowing down. They're coming over tomorrow to paint the boat, so we'll get all that stuff sealed up. That putty looking stuff is not putty. It's actually kind of like epoxy or fiberglass. They call it epoxy, so I'm not sure. But it's not water soluble putty or whatever. It's some kind of mixed, 2-part mix epoxy. That's beautiful to me. Just beautiful. Cleaning everything up. Nothing like a nice strong rainstorm. Didn't even see any thunder or lightning. And just like that, it passes by. Beautiful sight. Let me clean my lens real quick. Oh, by the way, Mr. Leo suggests that we take that yellow outrigger pontoon, the half one. We're going to take that half one off and add another big one to match the blue one, so we have two big ones. He's worried about the boat flipping over, which I went over there and jumped on it and stuff. It's not going to flip over, but I agree it could use some more buoyancy, so we're going to add another one on each side. Supposedly it only costs $1,000 per outrigger, but I'm sure that means it'll cost $2,000 per outrigger. But either way, I want to make sure he feels comfortable because he's going to be driving. Uh-oh, round two. I'm standing under the NEPA roof, not a drop. That is one of the most amazing things to me. They can make that out of palm fronds and NEPA palms, and it doesn't leak a bit. But neither does the aluminum roof. They patched up those holes, so no place is getting wet. Well, hello, or goodbye. Yeah, you can see the clouds breaking. That's all it is. It lasts, I don't know, what was that, 10 minutes at the most? Uh-oh. All right, well, I'm gonna sign off. Anyway, canopy looks great. That was the major part of the storm moving over. Just a few outer rings are coming through, but you can see the clouds are breaking. All right, looks good. We're still having a problem. We're trying to figure out if we can leave that canopy up and just get a stick and push the wires. Maybe put a strip of aluminum across the top and just let those wires slide on the roof that we have to go under. We haven't decided yet what we're gonna do, but that would be what I wanna do, is just when we go under a wire, just push it. The only problem would be going out that bridge side. We'd have to lower it for that, so we'll figure it out. But either way, it's going to be fine. If we have to lower it just to get out and then raise it while we're out on the water, I'm okay with that too. So, all right, Ugly American, living in the Philippines, over and out.